Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. We're so happy you are here with us today.
If you are new to the series, welcome. In the first 4 episodes, we talked about goals, listening, thinking in English, and speaking every day.
Today, we will talk about one of the most important skills for learning English well, learning vocabulary in context, not just by memorizing lists of words.
Yes, Mark, vocabulary is the building block of language. Without words, we can't speak, read, or understand.
But learning words alone is not enough. You have to learn how to use words naturally.
Part 1. Why learning vocabulary in context helps. Mark, many learners study English by memorizing long lists of words. Do you think this works well?
Well, it depends. Memorizing words can help at first, but usually people forget the words quickly.
Right. When you learn a word alone, like just run or beautiful, you don't know how to use it in real sentences.
It's like knowing a tool but not knowing how to use it, so words by themselves are not very useful.
Exactly. But when you learn a word inside a sentence or story, which we call context, it helps you remember better and understand how the word fits.
For example, the word run can mean many things. You can run fast, run a business, or run late.
If you just memorize run, you might be confused later. But if you learn sentences like I run every morning or she runs a company, you see how to use the word.
Learning vocabulary in context helps your brain connect words with meaning and use.
Part 2. What is context? Mark, can you explain more about context?
Sure. Context means the words, sentences, and situations around a new word.
For example, if you hear book, you might think of a reading book.
But book can also mean to reserve something, like a hotel room.
If you only know the word book, you won't know which meaning to use.
But if you hear, I read a book and I booked a ticket, you understand the different meanings.
So context helps you understand which meaning is right and how to use it. Part 3. Lisa's example. When I learned English, I didn't just memorize words.
What did you do?
I learned words inside sentences and stories.
Can you give an example?
Yes, take the word light. It can mean not heavy or a source of brightness.
Oh, yes. How did you learn it?
I learned sentences like this bag is light and turn on the light.
That helped you know both meanings.
Exactly. Learning words with sentences helped me remember and use them correctly.
Part 4. How to learn vocabulary in context.
Let's talk about ways to learn vocabulary in context.
First, read short stories or dialogues. These show words in real sentences.
Second, listen to conversations or podcasts. You hear how words are used naturally.
Third, write your own sentences with new words. This helps your brain connect the word with your meaning.
Fourth, use flashcards, but with example sentences, not just words.
For example, instead of a flashcard that says only happy, have one that says, she feels happy today.
That way, you remember the word and how to use it.
Part 5. Practice together.
Now let's practice some vocabulary in context. Repeat after me.
I run fast every morning.
The fast train arrives at 9 o'clock.
She is a fast learner and studies every day.
See, the word fast means different things in these sentences.
Try to make your own sentences with the word fast.
Part 6. Tip for daily vocabulary learning.
A good tip is to choose only 3 new words every day.
Don't try to learn too many at once. It's better to learn a few words well.
Learn each word in sentences, not alone.
Use the new words in your own sentences or conversations.
Try to review your words every day so you don't forget.
Thank you for listening to this episode about vocabulary.
In episode 6, we will talk about how to use English media, movies, music, and more to improve your skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, practice every day, and have fun learning English.
See you next time on Learn English Fast.